Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? What if you could do it effortlessly and had an option that was even powered by the sun? Introducing two of my favorites. We're going to do a comparison of the Wybot solar, self-docking, self-recharging pool cleaner that is cordless, and you do not have to touch it unless you get it out of the pool to clean its basket. Amazing. And the iGarden super sleek 2026 fast, efficient, AI-powered navigation system doesn't miss a spot. Now, let me tell you about these two great pool cleaners and let you decide which one is best for you. Now, watch till the end. At the very end, we're going to have a graphic comparing all the key benefits I'm going to outline here. I'm going to tell you quickly some of my favorites. The iGarden is really sleek, really aerodynamic, and it is very lightweight. It's only about 23 pounds. Very impressive. And it has a quick start guide that will get you up and running in just a few minutes. I love the quick start guide. It has an app and a QR code to do it that way, and it is very easy to maintain. You can put it on the schedule. You have several different options for cleaning, including the floors, the walls, the waterline, and the stairs and the ledges. Now, you can opt for turbo mode or a more economy mode to save your battery, and you can get a lot of quick cleaning with the iGarden. Now, the Wybot, here is the self-docking, self-charging solar system. What a great invention. I don't know any other pool motor that can do that. This is a great, great machine. Now, they both have really strong wheels. Look at these Caterpillar type tracks and dual roller wheels here, and it has net systems to keep the debris focused toward the inlet system here, and the iGarden is the same. Very strong dual brushes and the Caterpillar wheels and a mesh system that keeps the debris going into the inlet. Now, they both have very easy to clean baskets that are plentiful. The iGarden here has an opening, as you can see. It has leaves and fine debris here, fine mesh system here, easy close, pull it out without having to touch the debris. The Wybot also has a vertical lift, and this filter basket is completely self-enclosed, and it has a bottom dropping. Very great. Look how much it has collected. Wow. Even things that shouldn't be in there, like little toys and things that my kids have left in there. Picked it all up. Lots of leaves, lots of debris. Easy to clean with just a simple hose without having to get it all over your hands. And a very soft landing top here. Super awesome. Let me tell you about the technical differences. Let me tell you another feature about the Wybot. While it does solar charge and it does not leave the pool, it stays in the pool, self-docks and self-charges. If you don't have a sunny stretch and you need it to run and it doesn't have enough battery, it has a cord. So you can plug it to a regular DC outlet and use it as a regular cordless pool cleaner as well. So it covers both with this great machine. There's quite a difference in the price of these machines, but depends on which type of function that you need. Now, the smart navigation of the iGarden is AI driven, and it systematically cleans the walls, the floors, and the waterline. They both clean the walls, the floor, and the waterline, and the stairs. The debris handling is about a 4-liter basket, and it has the fine mesh that I showed you. It has up to 6 different cleaning modes, and you can schedule through the app, or right here it has a touch screen display right here. That is the control panel. It does self-park at the edge of the pool, so it's easy to retrieve. And Wybot, you don't have to retrieve it at all because it's self-docked, so that's really cool. And it also has strong suction and a dual layer filtration basket that I showed you. It returns to the dock itself, and it has an app as well. That is excellent. I can run this Wybot from the inside of my home and easily control it to run a cycle or an extra cycle, or to return to the docking station if I want it to stop running without even going outdoors. Now, the solar option can extend the runtime. It is really, really awesome. Now, the iGarden navigation tends to offer a more systematic, complete coverage of the floor because of its AI nature, but they both give a great clean of the floors, walls, and waterline. They're both very simple to clean. You just simply hose out the baskets, and I praise both of them for their quiet operation and the cleanliness that it leaves my pool. Both of the apps work great. The iGarden boasts a 3-year warranty, and the Wybot has a 2-year warranty. Both excellent choices if you want to spend your time doing something other than clean your pool, like laying in your pool or sitting by your pool. These two options will give you that. I highly recommend both of them. The iGarden was provided for me, for my honest opinion. I give it high praises. And the Wybot also is a very good cleaner. You can't go wrong with either of these. I highly recommend them both.